All Manipur Christian Organization (AMCO), representing diverse Christian communities and denominations across Manipur, extends its heartfelt appreciation to Dr. Bimol Akoijam, Member of Parliament Manipur. In a press release issued by AMCO, stated that Dr. Akoijam's resolute stance and powerful speech in defense of the people of Manipur and the northeastern state of India have not gone unnoticed. Their prayers are extended to Dr. Bimol Akoijam as they believe in his capable leadership to effect positive change, safeguard religious freedom, and promote peace in our strive-torn state. In acknowledgement of secular values and justice, AMCO expresses appreciation for the governments and stakeholders' endeavors to restore peace and reconciliation in the state. AMCO also shares the burdens and inconveniences faced during natural calamities such as floods in the valley and landslides in affected areas, compounded by the tension of ethnic clashes since May 2023. It added. Further, AMCO also appeals to all communities and religions to foster love, harmony, and peaceful coexistence within the state of Manipur.